Hey guys, it's Roy here from Arwico12 and EpicDroid.com, and I'm here today with a super quick video showing you guys how to get Magic the Gathering Arena running on almost any Android device. I've successfully installed it on multiple devices. This here is my Honor 8. This device is more than 4.5 years old at this point, and it runs the game without any problems. I have also successfully done it on my OnePlus Nord, which is what I'm going to be using to show you guys here today. Now my OnePlus Nord is also an unsupported device. To get it supported, what we're going to do is we're going to go to my personal website. This is arwico12.com or Arwico12's Android repository. There are two files. I'll have links to both of these in the description down below. You download the APK file as well as the OBB file. Once those are downloaded, you're going to go into your downloads folder. I do recommend using the app, Root Explorer. Root Explorer is by far the best file manager app that I have ever used. It is not a free app, but there is a free version available. So once you're in there, you go into your download folder, and we're first going to install the APK. To install it, you click Install. It's going to ask you if you want to install this application. There may be a prompt asking you if you want to install it from unknown sources. That is a good step to be aware of. What that step means is it's coming from somewhere other than the Play Store, and you want to make sure that it's from a trusted source. If it is from an untrusted source, do not install it. If you don't trust me, don't install it. Hopefully my other videos will show that I have enough history here that you guys can trust me. But that is something that does allow people to compromise your device. This one here is a backup from the Play Store, so there will not be any issue with it. Once that's done, you're going to hit Open. You'll get this message here that says Installation Failed, and you need to install it from the Play Store. Go ahead and just hit Close. We're going to come back here into your Root Explorer, and we're going to take this OBB file, the big one file that we downloaded, and we're going to move it. We are then going to go back to your root directory here. We're going to go into Android. We're going to go to OBB, and here at the bottom you should see com.wizards.mtga. Double tap on that, then you're going to go ahead and you're going to paste the file. Once it's moved over, go ahead and go back to your home screen. We're going to open Magic the Gathering Arena. And presto, you're good to go. The game will then go through several updates and downloads. You'll have to hit OK on every single download. It does take forever. Their servers are going extremely slow. I imagine they'll get a little bit faster when not everybody is doing it all at once. But once you get it set up, once you get it running, you'll be able to play the game, and you'll be able to do it on just about any device that you want. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.